Ameca robot has a human-like face and body. It can make different facial expressions. He is powered to connect with visitors, from answering questions and providing directions to greeting them. He is the most advanced human-shaped robot representing the forefront of human robotics technology. He is the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction. Ameca robot is a robotic humanoid created in 2021. He is known to be the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. He is an AI-powered humanoid robot, which will interact with visitors at the Futuristic Museum. He uses embedded microphones, binocular eye-mounted cameras, a chest camera, and facial recognition software to interact with the public. He has gray and translucent rubber skin on the face and hands, and robotic limbs, made of metal and plastic. He is designed to appear genderless. It can emulate human expressions quite well, and it can answer all questions articulately. TeslaBot is a bipedal humanoid robot that can perform dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. It is also known as Optimus. It can relieve humans of unsafe duties by offering manufacturing assistance through automation and logistics. It can help millions of people, from picking up groceries to cooking and to caring for elderlies, and it is a robotic welding device. The Tesla robot does not need breaks or lunch breaks. It can work 24/7 if required. It is equipped with wireless connectivity, audio support, and hardware-level security features. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.